Welcome back to the channel. ICP is about to explode. For those of you that have been following our ICP journey so far, this is likely to be one of the biggest spot trade opportunities within these last 2 months of the year, and that's why we're so bullish on this project at the moment. And I'm going to explain why this is about to take off, but before I do that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own independent research. With that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description and join the Telegram group, because that's where you'll be able to stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, technical updates and much more. And of course, if you want more trades like this, more under the radar GM, leverage trades, spot trades and much more, join Crypto Crew Premium, link in the description. Now let's get into the video. For those of you that have been following the journey, you will understand why we believe this has so much potential, but if you haven't, I'll briefly explain why again. But before we do that, price is taking off, so it's important that I go over the technicals. Guys, this is a double bottom pattern on the weekly time frame. I'm just going to circle the bottoms for you just so you guys can see. Circle that for you. There's actually also a morning star formation formed at a key trend line as well, and a key support area which further indicates that bullish momentum. So there's so many. I'm going to make this color that you guys can see, so we'll make it orange. Yeah, so guys, this is all pointing towards one direction, and the reality is, guys, the likelihood that this is going to go any lower than it currently has, even with the market moving to the upside, with Bitcoin taking off, with pretty much every single other cryptocurrency taking off, whether you believe this is a garbage coin or a bad project or not, it's pretty much safe to say that even garbage projects can move big in a bull market. So let's not use that as an excuse to why this isn't going to pump. Now, double bottom pattern again indicates bullish move to the upside, right? But with that being said, we have to go down to a lower time frame, right? So we go down to our 1 day time frame, and as you guys can see, price is, when we go into the 1 day time frame, we can see that we still have a decent level of resistance at this area, and that is mainly as we approach the $59 area, $59 to $60 area. So once we can break this mini resistance area, then we can expect a parabolic rally. So for example, let's say within the next few hours we see price creep up and break this area of resistance, which is $59 to $60. What we will see is price close above, and then we'll see a moon, and it will be like something that we've never seen before. It'll be one of those, it will be like something that we've seen before. It'll be similar to what we saw on Mana the other day, what we saw on Axie Infinity the other day, what we saw on Sand the other day, right? So that's what we're likely to see with this project. But until that explosion, that straight line explosion, will likely not occur until we creep up above the $59 to $60 price area. Now, so far for the day, we're up over 9.6%. This is a huge move. So even those of you that have been following my first ever ICP videos on this channel, you should be up tremendously in profit already, right? It's just one of those, this is literally one of those nice risk to reward trades, spot trades with massive upside potential. We already mentioned, even if price was to hit our worst expectations, which is around, let's just say $140 per coin, that's 162%, right? And one thing to note, that this isn't a small project. This is at the moment, even with price being at an all-time low, this is a $9.3 billion market cap, right? So this is not a micro project. It's important for all you guys to understand that, right? With a nice total supply as well, which of course gets us excited for the potential, its maximum potential. And of course, if you guys want to stay up to date on the latest fundamental data, I would suggest you check out the the Twitter page. Also, obviously, look at other fundamental data away from the Twitter as well. But this is a good place just to stay up to date with some of their developments, what they're looking to do in the short term, and also what their main focus is, right? Their Twitter page will essentially, tell you what they're focusing on at the moment and their recent achievements. As you guys can see, they're going really, really hard on promoting this NFT project, right? I had to scroll down quite a bit just to see what they're doing, and you can see some of the people that actually follow the Twitter page: Raul Paul, Kim.com, Tyler Winklevoss, etc. So it's not I know a lot of people are using the whole this is a garbage coin, this is a meme coin, but guys, men lie, women lie, numbers do not lie. And a $9 billion market cap at a massive low is definitely not a garbage coin, right? So anyway, guys, we're going to leave it there today. Let's see how quick this can take off. By the time I post this, will we start to see a parabolic move? Hopefully above that $60 area before the end of the day. We're going to have to wait and see. But for now, remember, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. And when others are greedy, be fearful. Seize the day.